The market is pumping to the upside right now. We've seen a very significant resistance being broken right here. Is the market going to move to the upside, approaching $40,000 and $45,000? And this is what I'll be talking about into this video and many more. So stick around till the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other educational contents. Right here on the 1-day chart, I was expecting that the market come back down and break this very line of support. So this trend line was to break before we can enter for a short opportunity at this very point. But what we experience, or what we are seeing right now, is a movement to the upside and a breakout on this triangular pattern on the resistance. So what is going to happen in the market according to what I am seeing right now? Because if you look at it, market move all the way from here to this point and rest a little bit, move up to this point. This very area was a very important resistance right at this point, resistance here, resistance at this area, and finally market breakout of this critical resistance. What I am expecting is a continuation of this market to the upside. Okay, so market can have the ability of retracing to retest here, but the market is still going to move up. So I am expecting this market to move to the upside into the $41,000 and $42,000. That is where I'm expecting this market to move into, $41,000 and $42,000 within this very area. So there should be continuation of this move to the upside. Another verification of this movement is because if you have been watching and following on my videos, you discover that we have a divergence that occur right here from this point to this other point of resistance, and that divergence have already failed because there is a breakout on this important level of resistance. So a failed divergence at a very strong resistance level means that there will be a continuation of the market to the upside. That very movement that I'm talking about right here that's going to happen is not going to be that huge, so don't expect something very big. The possibility of the market just pumping to the upside, approaching $45,000 is also there, but what I am looking at is the market to move up, okay, into the $41,000 and $42,000. So market should move into this very zone right here. $41,000 and $42,000 is very important level that we need to watch right now after this very significant breakout. So this is what you must have to pay attention to on the 1-day chart on Bitcoin, and on the 4-hour chart right here. If you look at it, market has been moving upward. So market move upward from here to the upside, retrace, move a little bit to the upside, retrace again, and then right now market is at this very point. Expect the market to come back down right here where the market is of 38.7k, and this very point of 39,200. Expect a retracement within this very area. The reason is because market has been moving upward. So market move from here up to this point, retrace, move upward, and right now we should expect the market to retrace back down before continuation. So what you need to do is to look for buy opportunity. As much as we could see the market retrace back down and give us a little discount to buy, then it will be a nice time to enter for a long position, or you just buy Bitcoin and hold. So after retracement is continuation, and this is what you have to watch on the chart right now, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And on ETH, Bitcoin is moving significantly upward and Ethereum is not moving. So therefore we have a very strong order block at this very point. So if you draw out this order block from here to this very area, you see that this order block is actually restraining the market from moving to the upside. So because of this restraint, we need a breakout. So there should be a breakout of this area. So what I am expecting right now is the market to break out of this level of resistance. And if we see a breakout, then it means that the market is going to continue to the upside. Without that breakout, don't expect the market to move upward. So what you need to watch right now on the ETH/USD 4-hour chart before you take a long position is the market to move upward with a significant bullish candle. After the breakout will be a nice time to take a trade. And one thing you need to understand about this breakout is that it's not an ordinary breakout. This breakout is a consolidation, and if there is any breakout you should always like to trade in the market is breakout of consolidation levels. So this is a consolidation level. Market has been moving side by side with the candles, and that means a breakout here can lead to a severe pump to the upside. So watch this very chart. If it breaks out with a significant bullish candle, then that means the market is going to move sporadically upward. And after that breakout, I'm also going to tell you the target that I am expecting the market to get to. So this is what you must have to watch as well on ETH/USDT 4-hour chart. And on the Matic chart, if you look at it, Matic, I talked to you about Matic moving from this very point. So market move all the way into this area, and I said from this very point market is going to move upward because this is a very important order block where market move into in the past after this very crash to the downside. And that is exact same thing we see right here. Market move up to this very point. If you look at it very well, this chart have a very important resistance level at this very area. So if you look at from here to this point, we have a very strong resistance, and this resistance is where I am expecting the market to get into. So from here into this very point is a strong resistance level. So if the market move into this area, so I am expecting this market to continue from here into this level of resistance. So we should find resistance with this move to the upside. So markets still have capacity of moving from where it is right now into this point and then come back down for retracement. Although the market also have capacity of retracing, but it will still continue to the upside. So even though you see retracement from here to the downside, there will be continuation of this market to the upside as well. So where you should expect a real significant retracement is at this very level of resistance on Matic right now. And this is the 4-hour chart. So expect continuation despite retracement to the downside. And right here on Solana, we have a very important thing on Solana right here. And Solana have been consolidating at this level for about 2 days. This is very important, guys. What you need to watch is nothing but a breakout, just like I talked to you about on ETH. Nothing but a breakout is very crucial on Solana right now. Once you see a breakout, it's going to move sporadically to the upside. And if you look at it, market is at this very level of strong resistance. So what you need to watch right now is to wait for a breakout on Solana. Once we see the market break upward above every other close within this area to create a new high with a strong bullish candle, then it will be a nice time to enter the market for the market to move to the upside. And I'll also update you on the price target. So wait for the market to break out before taking any position on Solana is very important. And lastly, on TRX, see the market move down with retracement after this severe move to the upside. We also have consolidation right here. Breakout is required on this very move. So from here we have this very area on the chart that needs to break, and this is what you also have to pay attention to, a significant breakout before taking any position on TRX. Expect the market to move up and break out with a significant bullish candle that close above this very spike right at this very area. Once you see that very candle, then it will be a nice time to trigger a buy position or a long position for the market to move upward. And obviously your target should be the next resistance. This very point of resistance should be your target, because an important order block at this very area. So from here, market should move after breakout into this zone. This is where we should expect the market to find raise 3 for moving to the upside. This is very important, guys. You need to pay attention to this very area on the chart right now of important consolidation. Remember, consolidation breakout is one of the best breakouts you can ever trade in the market, and this is what you need to pay attention to right now. A breakout here is going to send the market to the upside, and there's a target. And for Solana, a breakout here is very important. I'm also going to tell you the target in my next video. And on Matic, market is going to still move into this area, despite if we see retracement to the downside, market is going to still move into this very zone. And right here on ETH, wait for a breakout. It's necessary for us to see a breakout. Consolidation breakout is one of the best, like I said. And on BTC, don't expect any aggressive move to the upside on the 4-hour chart. And lastly, on the 1-day chart, expect the market to still move to the upside. This is very important, and this is what I am expecting right now. If you are new to this channel and you find value in this video, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And also check the channel for all that educational content. Please help subscribe to our Forex channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.